juga bisa menggunakan alat pemberian sang pencipta untuk membuka LCD pakai kuku. Teknologi 70% bagus untuk menghilangkan bekas lem yang ada di sini karena akan mempengaruhi ketebalan akan lebih mudah bersih dengan alkohol. Proses caranya ya dulu. Karena untuk memperbaiki smartphone lebih baik Anda searching sendiri di internet bagaimana cara memperbaiki dan apa yang harus Anda lakukan, bukan kepada bengkel-bengkel yang tidak bertanggung jawab, sehingga banyak banget yang hilang di sana dan dia tidak punya gantinya. Original itu kan lebih mudah dihilangkan, bersih, terpisah dengan meta tulang. HP-nya apa ini?
Disable file.
Kita mau gantiin HTC ya, HTC LCD screen.
Do you speak English, sir?
Will be.
That's
Chance. Clean one.
where's your pair?
You're asking about? Oh, smile. I'm serious to do this. When I'm enjoy, I forgot anything. I look like serious.
Yes.
Yeah. This is it.
Are you one drink or some
Not now.
hot?
Disturbing my job. It's very sticky glue stuck on your teeth. Just remember, if you next time open it up, don't use any hard equipment. So make this part broken. See this? Not too bad, but this for me is not good.
Did you kill?
Yeah, I use cucumber with the pins and this. It's too hard. Make sure they have sharp and thin, very thin, and you can do it like this.
I have 20 minutes for this video, and your
And then will be do this for more than 20 minutes, so maybe you have to cut it off. cut off the video.
And now?
Yeah, just make sure this fucking sticky glue must be very clean, like
Yes.
nothing happened in this case. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cut.
Thank you, sir.